What's up, guys? We're gonna be uploading Natalie video today. We're gonna be making sausage pizza. Okay, here's a pause. So I'm gonna do a voiceover for the rest of this video, cause I didn't really want to bother my dad, cause he was in the kitchen too, and yeah, so everything is just gonna be like a step one, blah blah blah. Okay, so first thing you want to do, open your oven and take whatever that's inside, pots, pans, whatever that is inside your dirty oven, take them out, put it somewhere else. Then you take a pizza and you put it in your oven. But instead of the first rack, put it in the middle rack because it'll cook more evenly and yeah, so it won't burn. Anyway, set the temperature to 350 degrees and that's great. And then wait 10 minutes. Wow! Now it's been 10 minutes. Nice transition, eh? Anyways, turn on the lights. Look at the pizza. Not very clear. Really look at there. Oh, nice. Look, steam. That means it's hot. Anyways, now turn it down to 200 and just wait for 5 minutes. Anyways, 5 minutes later, now let's check on the pizza, shall we? Turn off oven temperature, turn on the light. You see, it's been more spread out. Anyways, now we just let it sit for about 2 minutes. Anyways, you see me grab this towel, and now I'm about to take the pizza out of the oven. Make sure to hold it, and then take it out like that. See? Good job, me. I wonder who's holding the camera. Anyways, now let's cut that pizza, shall we? Transition. Now cut. Cheese ball. Eat the food. Well, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, so this is a late upload. It's like almost 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm actually not that tired, but I just ate some pizza. I have a lot of energy. Anyways, so follow me on Instagram, which is right here. And also follow me on Twitter, which, is right here, I think. Anyways, and leave some ideas in the comments below. And if it's not there, then DM me on Instagram. I'll surely respond. Anyways, so see you guys later. Bye.